Yeah, you know, Ranelltheerealest, and we're there again. Who don't know how the chap go, we're there again. Back with another video, you see me? This a trip right, we're there. Port Antonio, we're there, you see me? Just take a look. Just video around and take a look. Yeah, who don't know the thing go, you see me? We walk around and ask the question. You see me? But as usual, you just comment, like, subscribe, you see me, and share too. Don't forget to share. Yeah, and the people them where you watch the video, where you watch the video and nah subscribe. When you don't watch the video, you know, man, just subscribe and done, man. You don't know the thing, man. Alright, we outside now. Alright, let's give your name.
Anaya.
Akela.
Leah.
Chisan Johnson. Kim.
Talia.
Latoya.
Anaya. Alright, Anaya. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 lang?
I don't know.
Guess, even take a guess.
I don't know the people in Jamaica. I'm American, sir.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
You're American, but you so you come
Franklin.
Leah and Akela. Alright, Akela. Whose face upon the Jamaican 20 lang kind?
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey, yes, sir? And you?
Marcus Garvey.
Alright, you get that, yeah. You only get that one there, right? You only get that one there. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 lang kind?
You know, me not even really study the $20. Who again? I can try remember. Me not even use silver to that. Jesus.
Few moments later.
You have it, man. You have it, man. Missy say you want to say it. You just say it when you know it, man.
Me no want to say wrong something. Me no know. Normal man, right?
Got him! Got him!
No.
I hate that one there. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 lang kind?
Marcus Garvey.
Your friend help you with that one day. Alright. If $500 $1 or $500, how much is $500 $2?
Grand.
Alright, this is how you're gonna get on and answer the question them so. If Mobay, Montego Bay are the capital for St. James and Portmore are the capital for St. Mary, what are the capital for Kingston?
Kingston.
Alright, they get it right. What kind of what kind of phone are you? Digital or line?
Digital.
Alright. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 lang kind?
Marcus Garvey.
Montego Bay are the capital for St. James and Portmore are the capital of St. Mary, what are the capital of Kingston?
No, Kingston is the capital.
Alright. If $500 $1 or $500, how much is $500 $2?
Wait there, if you like to stand this.
If $500 $1 or $500, how much is $500 $2?
500 times. If $500 $1 500.
Yeah, how much is $500 $2?
I don't know, $1,000.
Repeat again?
$1,000? I don't know.
Yeah, $1,000, you get it right.
$1,000?
Yeah. Alright, thanks here. Where get your phone, Ken?
I am _ Talia with 2L.
Alright, no. Any more social media you want? Your Snapchat or?
Not urgent.
Yeah, alright. Well, I tell you, I ask you 3 simple questions. If you get them right, we make you get a phone card. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 long?
Marcus Garvey.
Alright. What capital for Kingston?
Kingston.
If $501 or $500, how much is $502? Alright. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 long?
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey.
Alright. If Montego Bay are the capital of St. James and Portmore are the capital of St. Mary, what are the capital of Kingston?
So you know what?
You don't know that one, eh? Capital of Kingston.
You don't know that, you know?
You don't know that one?
No. Me and
Wait.
like that, sorry.
Alright, let me switch to the other one. If $501 or $500, how much is $502?
That's grand.
$1,000.
Yeah, man, when I get that one right. Listen, I want to miss out one though. You see me, respect it. Respect, you see me. Alright, we're gonna ask you 3 simple questions. You see me, if you get 3 of them right, we make you get a phone card. What kind of phone you use? This is cellular line.
Live.
Alright. Whose face is it on the Jamaican 20 kind?
Marcus Garvey, something like so.
Alright, if Montego Bay are the capital of St. James and Portmore are the capital of St. Mary, what are the capital of Kingston?
Kingston.
Yeah, alright. If $501 or $500, how much is $502?
What?
If $501 or $500, how much is $502?
If 501.
$1 or $500, how much is $502?
If 5. No.
Yeah, no, try man.
If 501.
Yeah. How much is $502?
Weird.
Few moments later.
$501 or $500, how much is $502?
500.
500? No, you get that one there wrong. Up. If I did get the 3 of them, I make you get the phone card. But thanks anyway here. Now you want to shout out the Instagram?
Yes, it was 6 Vera.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, I'll say that one. If Montego Bay are the capital of St. James and Portmore are the capital of St. Mary, what is the capital of Kingston?
I got out of Kingston.
You get that right, eh?
Kingston.
Yeah, you get it right, that Kingston.
Listen, I left out of school to not have these questions asked, and they asked me hardcore questions. You wanted to go on it. Okay. Talk.
The other one. If Montego Bay are the capital for St. James, Portmore are the capital for St. Mary, what are the capital for Kingston?
Why? Online school mashed me up. Don't know.
You're serious?
Leah, do that one first.
Alright, repeat.
Montego Bay are the capital for St. James and Portmore are the capital for St. Mary, what are the capital for Kingston?
I don't know what Kingston.
Repeat what you said?
She said Kingston.
Kingston the answer? Huh?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
You get it right.
I can make it.
Yeah, you get it right. The capital for Kingston are Kingston. Alright, thanks here. Thanks. Leah?
Darling, I don't have Instagram.
Leah, and your name again?
Akela.
Akela. Alright, you want to show to the Insta?
Exclusive for underscore.
Okay, so you don't have an Insta.
I don't have Instagram.
Okay, well,
Alright.
subscribe.
Yeah. you can
And follow me at,
Insta.
oh yeah, follow me on Instagram.
Shout me out.
Okay.
Shout me out.
Okay, so 2 bad A, so 2, the number 2, then A, BADDD with 3 D's, bad with 3 D's, and then dot A. And I am underscore Chrissy.
And say it again.
And dark skin girl 001. Okay, anyways, fine.
$500, $1, $500. How much is $500? $2.
$1,000?
Alright, you get that one there. If Montego Bay are the capital for St. James and Portmore are the capital for St. Mary, what are the capital for Kingston?
Kingston?
Yeah, you get that one there. You want to try the other one?
Give me it, man.
The one of my accent, you say, whose face is it on the Jamaican $20?
Why, God Almighty, me not even have a $20. Me no know. Me no know.
So you pass the one then?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks anyway. You get 2 of them right there. Yeah, right now you know we're reaching the end of the video. So as normal, just like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to check out more 5-star EVTV. You see me?
The chat, the artist is a short film, boy. Talk to them, man.
Alright, right now, my people. Oh.